about getting to school and working really hard, being focused. What's a good way to go about it if you're not exactly sure what you want to focus on? Like what is your, like what your major is?
Yeah, so I was completely clueless. The reason I ended up with 3 majors and a minor was that I couldn't decide on anything. Very few people know what the heck they're going to do when they get there. Very few. So what you want to do is work real hard in your classes so that they go well with minimal stress, and then work really hard at trying to discover cool stuff. So go volunteer at the radio station, go to 2 clubs, maybe 3, go to all the free things that are on campus. All the cultural centers have free, super fringe movies. Go to those. Go talk to every professor and spend your energy trying to discover what it is that you're into. And realize that that might change, right? Like some of you, who already feels like they have a mission in mind for when they get to college? A few people, some of you, a third of you. So your mission might change, right? Remember that you decided on this mission as a high school senior or possibly even younger. It's real possible that your mission will change. That's fine. But if you show up with a mission, remind yourself of what your mission is and then reevaluate every few months. Your college is full of people who are messing up, but having a really fun time doing it. You're going to get there and you're going to see people messing up. And you're going to think, that was so fun. Maybe I should start messing up. But no, you have your mission, they have their mission. And if you don't have a mission, then your mission is explore as much as possible and figure out how you want to spend the rest of your life.